Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the watch is charging and at least 50% so the update won't stop mid-process. Once done, confirm your phone and watch are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is active. This is mandatory for the only supported method. Now open the Galaxy Wearable app and tap the connected watch entry. You will see the software update option. Tap it to check for an available update and begin downloading when prompted. You tap download and watch the progress inside the Galaxy Wearable app. Do not force close the app or disconnect Bluetooth while files transfer. Once the download finishes, the app will instruct the watch to install. Your watch will reboot automatically. Make sure it stays on the charger and remains close to the phone. During this phase, you'll see installation and reboot sequences on the watch, which can take 10 to 30 minutes for major updates. So be patient and keep everything powered. You finish by confirming the new software version in settings right arrow about on the watch. That proves the update completed. If the update fails, restart both the watch and phone, then retry the download. Many issues clear with a simple reboot. If problems persist, make sure the Galaxy Wearable app cache is cleared on your phone or unpair and repair the watch. Those steps resolve connectivity errors. One key tip: always keep the watch charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.